Time for package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the GameSir Marsback. What is the GameSir Marsback? This is an, let's say, more like a portable arcade lookalike controller. You can use it on every, or so far I understand from the packaging, you can use it for every Android and iOS device. So you can turn your telephone into a little arcade machine. I think the idea behind it is pretty damn awesome, and I love myself some arcade machines, so let's unpack it, let's see what we're going to get, and let's test it out. And this is what we are going to get. Box, this is the product itself, and a user manual. And this time, no Chinese toilet paper. We're having here a very nice quality and basic manual and how to install your device. It's like every Bluetooth system or controller or hardware, so it's basically you connect it to your telephone, sync it, and you're ready to go. So the system itself, let's take a close look at it. The joystick is just basically a joystick. I must say the analog stick feels quite nice. The button got a very good response, and here we have this little bracket that you can put in the position for supporting your mobile phone. So there is nothing inside this portable device for holding it back. So if your telephone is too small or too big, you will have a problem. So this is what we're going to get, and let's grab myself a telephone because I'm very curious how is this thing working. Alright, let's do a little small tutorial. How are you going to connect the Marsback to your telephone? It's very simple. First you need to do is power on the system by switching here the switch on to on. The next thing we're going to do is go into my mobile phone, Bluetooth on. This is in Dutch language, but when it's searching, hold the start button. The LED is going to blink, and then you can see it on the camera. And when everything is okay, it's connected to the GameSir Marsback here on my mobile phone. That's the only thing you need to do. So you're ready to go, and as you can see, everything works just fine. Alright, let's see if it's connected. Alright, recognizing the controller. As you can see, there is a little dead zone, but flawless victory! So for the final conclusion about the GameSir Marsback, it's basically just a Bluetooth controller with the shell of a little arcade machine. I really love the idea behind it. It works very well. I did have some problems with some emulators that didn't recognize the analog stick. I didn't know what this problem was about. I think it's more like it's recognizing the joystick like a D-pad, and some games need to use an analog stick. So maybe you can adjust it in the software itself. I have really no clue. I did some messing around with it, but I couldn't figure it out. So that's something you need to consider. Yeah, the games, Android games, they all work fine for me. And yeah, I really love the idea behind it. Keep in mind, if your telephone is too big, it will not fit. Or if it's too small, it's going to be a little bit of a wiggly. So yeah, this is what we're going to get. Let me know what you think of something like this. Really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.